Oh, dude, it never gets old. Never gets old. Thing is crazy.
Break your back one of those days.
No, that's why my back was having problems, because of the truck. Like an old man. But I got side steps coming. So Amp Research finally reached out to me and said, hey, we recognize you need steps, and they sent out a pair of side steps for the truck. So waiting on those to arrive. But welcome back to the vlog, guys. Hope you guys had a great weekend. It's Monday for us. I don't know when you guys will be watching this. Probably Tuesday, Wednesday, today maybe. Look at Jefe's like today, so that means he's on it. We appreciate your support. I want to go back and say 1,000 comments in the last video. Amazing. Can't thank you guys enough for that. And I asked you guys a question. I said, hey, what type of vehicles do you guys drive and where are you guys from? And with that said, you guys went in and commented a bunch, and it let us know a lot about you guys. It surprised the hell out of me. You know, honestly, Texas, Canada, Europe, it's just all over the place. To hear that you guys are watching all over the world just amazes us, because we're just a small shop here in Riverside, California. We got those eyeballs on us, so thank you guys so much. That said, I realized I need to ask you guys to do something else. I need you guys to smash the like button, because I want to get the most likes on this video ever. So all you got to do, even if you don't like the content, just go like it, but I guarantee you will, because at the end of this video, we're going to do a giveaway, so make sure you watch. Let's get into the day. CHAGLASS.
Oh my god. No. Right on the street, there's donuts in here. You brought these. Was it you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, thanks, brother.
Yeah, dude. You know.
Out.
Yeah, no worries.
Bam!
Oh, you fucking dick, bro. You fucking dick. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I remember you. I'm trying to put a
It
name
was
to
a
the
few
face.
months ago.
Okay.
Alan.
Alan, how you doing, Alan?
Good. Originally, I had a V6 Challenger.
Okay.
And I brought it in, got some
Remember.
advice from you as far as like wrapping corners and so on and so forth. I want to say thank you and brought some goodies over for everybody here.
Dude, you're the best, man. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, man. How'd it come out? So you got the car here?
Yeah,
Let's
that's
go
right
look
here.
at it. So I remember talking to you. You're from Chino, right?
Yeah.
Chino, I do remember that. It looks sick. Great
That's we
job.
gotta finish it up. I'm actually going to finish it up today. I'm going to be finishing up the back and everything and,
Cool.
and tying it all together.
It's super admirable to see like you kind of took the advice, you went and did it, made it happen, and now you potentially have a source of revenue.
Yeah.
You know, you could start a business, you can start wrapping roofs. And people don't understand. Awesome. I get people ask me all the time, how do you start a business? How do you do that? You just do it.
Trial and error.
Yeah, you just do it. You just start going, and then you'll figure it out. So Alan came into the shop a couple weeks, I would say a couple months ago actually, and he was talking about doing some striping on his car. And originally I thought he was asking me to do the stripes, but he was actually asking for advice for himself. So I spent a couple minutes with him and just gave him the advice. You know, he was asking a bunch of different questions on how he can do things. Lo and behold, a couple months later, he brought it back and he did the project. I'm sure he was educating himself on some of the YouTube channels that are out there that are teaching you about vinyl, taking the steps of going in and talking to shops, because he did come in and ask me questions, drilled me for a good 10 minutes asking me about how to do this, how to do that. And I gave him as much advice as I could. Now to see him come back a couple months later and there's the finished piece, he did it and he killed it. People are asking me about business questions and how do you get going in the wrap world, and that's how you do it. You know what I mean? You just start doing it. You buy the right materials, you take the advice from the installers, the experts that are telling you to buy the right materials, not listen to the people that are trying to sell you the cheap eBay junk that's not going to last. He bought the right materials. He took advice from people that were in the industry like myself and others. I'm sure he was looking around, and that's what he pulled off. I'll show it one more time because it looks really dope. And because we took a couple minutes with it and helped him, he brought us tacos and burritos. I don't know, a whole box of stuff. And he must have read my mind because I'm starving. Let's go eat.
What's going on over here?
Laying a stripe kit on the side of this Focus ST. Pretty cool, right? Super easy to install. Basically, what I did is I used a 1-inch piece of tape to give me my line, following the door line all the way through, and then I just put my stripe butted up right to that, and that keeps the line consistent all the way through.
God. Well, Mitch, what are we doing here on the Daniel show?
We're not talking to Daniel, that's for sure. Right now we
Daniel
have
and
our
friends.
buddy Eddie in. You may know him as the guy on live that would keep bombarding us with payments.
And Daniel trying to bombard your butthole with vinyl.
Whoa. Are we rapping?
Hijack.
Are we rapping or
Hijack.
It's Daniel show. Shut up.
So today we got Jacob in here with his 2018 STI. What we're gonna be doing to it today, we've already done the hood, roof, and part of the wing, gloss black metallic. So what we're gonna be doing is pulling the wing, basically debadging it, and then we're gonna be wrapping the whole trunk gloss black metallic as well, just to kind of go along with the hood and roof. Project will probably take about 3 hours to get everything pulled off, cleaned up, wrapped, and put back on. So let's get into it.
What up, guys? So I don't know if you guys can tell, this is my second time doing this catfish. I didn't like it the first time, so I wanted to go ahead and redo it. The knife list just got a little like mixed up, so the lines weren't as clean as I really wanted them, but now I'm gonna redo it, make sure it comes out pristine.
As you guys can see in the shop, there's always so much going on. Right now, Johnny's working on the Subaru, and Mitch is working on another Subaru. Let's go see what their media team's doing. And no one else is really here. Daniel's not here yet, so it's really not that fun. What's going on over here, ladies?
I prefer the term woman.
Oh, what's that?
Women? What's going on, women? I'm an adult.
What's going on here?
We just came to the conclusion that homeboy here gave us some copyrighted content on our dope ass commercial.
Hey man, sorry, you gotta go, bro. Get out. Get out. You gotta go.
Ejected him, bro. You force ejected his ass.
Ejectocito, good. No, for real though, copyrighted music sucks.
Copyrighted music sucks because, well, I can't say we can't get money off of it because then they're like, damn, you're only doing YouTube because of money. Like,
Exactly.
pretty much, yeah, we're using your guys' money. Thanks for all the views. Hit the subscribe button. Get us to $3,000 because I'm fucking broke. I'm still using a coffee pot, man. Get me a Keurig.
But we're so much more. There's so much more to it, you know. So it's always interesting to hear like other people's business and other people's side of things, you know, because it sounds like you guys been in business for a long time, you know, and you evolve from one thing into now,
moving up the ladder basically,
right, into big ass warehouses. Because I went to your warehouse. That's where we got these chairs at, you know. So in the last vlog we talked about us going to get chairs. That's where we're at. We'll link his Instagram below. So you gotta go look at his car too. His car's dope. I got a lot of plans with it too.
What about you, premium?
Your guys' quality work, best that I've seen. So, plus there's all the hype around it.
We're a hype shop. Somebody said that, they're like, oh, you guys are just hype. And I'm like, well, I'd rather be hype than no hype. You know what I mean?
We got the trunk done. We got the roof done. We got the hood done. It's a we got a Varus hood on this 2018 STI. We also got the headlights done, all blacked out. All done here at Premium. It's awesome work. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's Silvo_18. Yeah, it's good to go.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you guys making it to the end of the vlog. I told you we were gonna do a giveaway and it's here. So what we're gonna give away is air fresheners and a premium decal for your vehicle. We can't always give away skateboards, we can't always give away t-shirts and hats like we do. We're known to do that. This time around, it's just the air fresheners and decal. I hope you guys like them. We do have a secret hashtag for this video and it's your job to figure out what it is. If you comment it first, you're gonna be winning the little prize pack that we have. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget about the 200,000 subscriber giveaway. Make sure you follow. Make sure you subscribe. It's the end of the day. I'm super tired. Please subscribe. Let's go home.